Welcome to the GEODNET PPK portal, your gateway to high-precision post-processing. Exit anytime at ppk.geodnet.com. Whether you're managing drone surveys or precision mapping, the GEODNET PPK portal simplifies your workflow with global base station coverage and automated post-processing. There are two ways to use the PPK API. You can directly access it on the GEODNET PPK portal, or you can access it directly from your code. To get started, sign in using the credentials provided by GEODNET. Once signed in, select the specific time you want the data for, and make sure to choose the correct station name, data type, and file type. Then, submit your request to download, and you'll find it in the Download History tab. And for developers, the GEODNET PPK Service API provides the same powerful capabilities directly from your code. Need the nearest station for your project? Send a GET request with your longitude and latitude, and optionally date and time to find available data sources. Once you've chosen your stations, create a download order. Just provide the start and end time and your station list. Check your order status anytime. When it's complete, retrieve your data, returned as a ready-to-use zip file. Need detailed metadata? Use a GET request that returns all available stations with precise coordinates. From the field to final coordinates, the GEODNET PPK API and portal give you secure, automated access to the base station data you need. Faster, simpler, more accurate. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.